forget, Milo says hello, and it's actually his birthday, isn't it? Milo, it's your birthday! He's very tired right now, he's super sleepy. Milo, are you excited? You excited? Yeah. So I've never done this type of video before. As you know, I love pastries and cakes, and I do a lot of amazing desserts. So today I wanted to do a beautiful doggy cake for this little guy because he's 3 years old and it's exciting. Yeah. Oh, you're so good. You're so cute. I absolutely love this guy, and you guys love him as well. I always get comments to show more of him and that you love him. So yeah, he's 3 years old, still technically a puppy. Basically sleeps a lot, eats a lot, and farts, which he probably done just now. Anyway, I've come up with a really easy recipe for his doggy cake with all of his favorite things. And if you have a doggy, leave the comment down below, let me know what dog you have and if you'll be making this cake for him or her. Now let's get started. Say hello to everyone. Yeah? It's your birthday. Yeah. And you're really heavy now. Very heavy. In a bowl, add your eggs, then add your plain oats. You can use jumbo or just normal ones. Then add your minced meat. I'm using pork here because he loves pork, but it's completely up to you. Then add your Parmesan cheese or any other cheese that you like. And mix everything together until it's nice and smooth. So kind of just use your hands and incorporate all the ingredients together. Once it's all mixed, we're going to place our mixture into rings. You can just use normal baking tins, it's completely up to you. So do line it with some parchment paper and then just divide the mixture between two even rings or cooking baking tins that you have. Press it down quite nice and tight and just spread it nice and evenly. We're going to bake this for about 45 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. Next, we're going to make our frosting, so peel your bananas and make sure you use ripened soft bananas. They should be quite brown. Then you're going to get the easiest, creamiest frosting. Milo loves peanut butter, so I'm just adding a lot of peanut butter there. And I'm just whisking everything together until it's nice and smooth. You might want to mash bananas with a fork before and then mix the peanut butter. If you don't have a stand mixer, just keep mixing until it all comes together. It should look just like this, nice and smooth. If it's a bit dry, you can add a little bit of milk and mix everything together one more time, so it'll be much easier to spread. Don't add too much milk as it will become too liquid. Once it's done, it should look just like that. Once your cakes are done, just take them out of your oven. And you want to leave them to cool down for 10 minutes or so. Just leave them in the rings and then gently, using a knife, get rid of the rings. They should come off quite nice and well. Once it's cooled down, it's going to look like that. It basically looks like a giant meat patty. So just put that onto a decorative plate. Then add pretty much 1/3 of your banana and peanut butter frosting. Spread it nice and even. Then you want to add your second layer on top. And then cover the cake completely in your frosting. It will be quite jiggly, but once you put the cake in the fridge, it will actually set. Milo was very impatient, so he really wanted to eat it, so I did cut it straight away. But since I left it in the fridge, it kept well for about 3 days in the fridge, and it was much easier to cut afterwards. You can sprinkle some oats just for decoration, and of course don't forget to add birthday candles. And that's it, guys. This is how easy it is. Now let's cut into it and give a big slice to Milo. Whose birthday is it? Is it your birthday? It is! Oh yeah! Are you excited about this cake? I know, it's so exciting. Oh my god! What is that? It's your birthday cake. Oh, you're so cute. Say mommy bakes so many cakes. Now this one is for you. Yeah? You want to have a birthday slice? You do? Have you been a good boy? Have you been a good boy? Okay, wait, Mommy, just take off the candles. Okay, I cut it for you. Yeah, I have. Here you go. Here you go. Oh, it's so tasty. Oh. Milo. Well, that's it.